What is the motor cortex? Have you ever wondered how you can catch a ball without thinking? Or play an instrument like a pro? It all comes down to the motor cortex, the part of your brain responsible for controlling movement and fine motor skills. Hello Brainiacs, and welcome to Brainwaves. Whether you're an athlete, musician, or just someone who wants to improve coordination, understanding how your motor cortex works is the key to unlocking precision, agility, and mastery. Today, we're going to break down how you can fine-tune your motor cortex for peak performance. We'll cover the science behind movement, common challenges people face, and most importantly, how to improve your motor skills with fun and effective strategies. And of course, expect a few brainy surprises along the way. Common challenges in motor skill development. Let's be real, developing motor skills is not always smooth sailing. Here are some of the most common struggles people face. 1. Lack of coordination. Ever tried to dance but looked more like a malfunctioning robot? Coordination issues happen when your brain struggles to synchronize movement across different muscles. 2. Difficulty learning new movements. Learning to play the piano or master a new sport can feel impossible at first. This happens because your brain needs repeated practice to strengthen the right neural connections. 3. Slow reflexes and response time. If you feel like your reflexes are sluggish, it may be due to an undertrained motor cortex that hasn't been pushed enough. 4. Hand-eye coordination problems. If catching a ball feels like dodging a meteor, your brain might need more sensory motor training. 5. Delayed milestones. Some children struggle to reach developmental milestones, such as crawling, walking, or running at the expected age. 6. Dyspraxia, developmental coordination disorder, a condition that causes difficulties with planning and executing movements, leading to clumsiness and trouble with daily tasks. Fine motor difficulties. Struggles with tasks that require precise hand movements, such as tying shoelaces, buttoning shirts, or handwriting. Gross motor difficulties. Difficulty with activities that require whole body movement, such as running, jumping, or balancing. Coordination and balance issues. Some individuals have trouble with posture and movement control, affecting their ability to engage in physical activities. Neurological disorders. Conditions such as cerebral palsy or autism spectrum disorder can impact motor development. But don't worry, we're going to fix all of this with proven techniques. How to enhance your motor cortex function. 1. Neuroplasticity, the brain's superpower. Your brain is a learning machine that constantly rewires itself. This process is called neuroplasticity, your ability to adapt and improve with practice. The more you use your motor cortex, the stronger and faster it becomes. 2. Smart practice and repetition. 1. Break movements into steps. Instead of practicing an entire dance routine at once, master one step at a time. 1. Slow it down first. Whether it's dribbling a basketball or playing a guitar riff, start slow and controlled before speeding up. 1. Use a mirror. Watching yourself move helps reinforce correct muscle memory. 2. Cross-training for your brain and body. 3. Switch hands. Try brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand. It forces your brain to work harder. 4. Play video games. Action-packed games help train reaction time and coordination. 5. Try balance exercises. Standing on one leg or using a balance board activates multiple brain regions. 6. The power of visualization. Did you know that imagining a movement can activate the same brain regions as actually performing it? Professional athletes use mental rehearsal to improve performance. Close your eyes and picture yourself executing the perfect movement. Your brain will believe it. 7. Brain-boosting physical exercises. 1. Martial arts and dance. These activities require precision, agility, and brain-body coordination. 1. Hand-eye coordination drills. Juggling, throwing a ball against the wall, or even playing catch improves reaction time. 1. Strength training with movement focus. 2. Lift weights while consciously focusing on form and control. The breakthrough method, TMS and brain stimulation. Here's something cool. Scientists have found that transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, can enhance motor learning. TMS uses non-invasive magnetic pulses to stimulate the motor cortex, improving reaction time, movement precision, and recovery from injuries. While this technology is still mostly in labs, it opens up a world of possibilities for fast-tracking skill development. Motor skills can be lost due to several factors, including neurological disorders, brain damage, aging, and lack of use. Here are some of the main causes. 1. Neurological disorders. Conditions like motor neuron diseases, MND, progressively destroy motor neurons, leading to muscle weakness and loss of motor control. 2. Brain damage. Injuries affecting the cerebellum, which controls voluntary motor functions, can lead to severe motor skill impairment. 3. Aging. As people age, fine motor control, balance, and coordination decline, affecting daily activities and independence. 4. Developmental disorders, dyspraxia. Developmental coordination disorder can cause persistent difficulties with motor skills, making tasks like writing or buttoning clothes challenging. 5. Reduced physical or social activity. Lack of social engagement and physical activity has been linked to a faster decline in motor function, particularly in older adults. Conditions such as Parkinson's disease and other movement disorders can lead to slower or abnormal movements, affecting fine and gross motor skills. Congratulations! You now know how to fine-tune your motor cortex and develop amazing motor skills. Let's recap the key takeaways. The motor cortex controls movement, and improving it leads to better coordination and reflexes. Common challenges include poor coordination, slow reflexes, and difficulty learning new skills. Smart practice techniques like slow repetition, cross-training, and visualization rewire your brain for success. Physical activities like martial arts, balance drills, and video games sharpen motor control. Cutting-edge research in TMS brain stimulation could revolutionize motor skill enhancement. Now it's your turn. What motor skill are you trying to master? Let us know in the comments. And if you loved this deep dive into neuroscience, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on brain optimization. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.